Do you want your name to appear automatically on every photo you take? Let's make that happen. Here's how to add your name as a watermark using the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon, tap watermark, turn on the toggle for watermark. Under info to show section, make sure to select model name. Next, tap edit button. Now, type your name. And then tap save button. If needed, you can do some customization here, such as including date and time, changing the font style, and choosing the position of the watermark. As the example, we will include the date and time. Set the font style to Roboto. And place the watermark on the bottom right of the photo. Once done, go back and take a photo. Then tap the photo thumbnail. As you can see, your watermark, in this case your name, will appear automatically on it. This is a great way to personalize your pictures or protect your work from being shared without credit. With just a few taps, your name will be added to every photo you take using the camera app. Perfect for personal branding or just adding your personal thoughts. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.